Hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel, the best place for makeup and skincare. So as you guys know from the title and the thumbnail, this is going to be a fun makeup challenge video. The makeup products which I'm going to use is picked up by none other than the beauty influencers of India. And this video is inspired by Sohini Chanda. Sohini Di, I love you. Thank you so much for the inspiration. Before jumping into the video, I would like to thank every YouTuber who replied to my DM and make this video a success. Thank you so much to everyone. I love you all. And yes, without further ado, let's jump into the video.
So for primer, I asked Aishwarya Kaushal, and Aishwarya picked up the Nykaa Prep face primer, so we are going to use that today. So I have taken a little bit on my hands. Now I'm going to apply it on my T-zone where I have large pores and mostly I get oily throughout the day. So for foundation, I asked Shalini Srivastava, and Shalini picked up Maybelline Fitme foundation. So we are going to use this foundation today, and this is such a beautiful foundation. It's one of my favorite foundation. First I'm gonna dot it all over my face, then I'm gonna blend it with my Colorbar beauty blender. So for next concealer, I didn't ask anyone because I don't have any other concealer other than my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I never tried any other concealer. So yeah, I'm just using that today. So for setting powder, I asked Shweta Vijay, and she picked up K-Beauty Matte HD Setting Loose Powder. This is one of my favorite powder. It is so good. It keeps your base intact for a very long time. So I love it. So for my eyebrows, I asked Barsha Patra, and Barsha picked up the Sugar Arc Arrival Brow Definer, so we are going to use that today. I've been using this product for a very long time, and I love sugar products. I really do, and this is one of my favorite products from Sugar. So for my bronzer, I asked Sohini, and she picked up the Sugar Contour The Force Mini Bronzer, so we are going to use that today. And yes friends, I'm gonna mention every Instagram and YouTube channel link of these influencers in the description box below so that you can check them out. And if you're not following them yet, then please do follow. What are you waiting for? So next for my blush, I asked Sushmita D, and she picked up the K-Beauty Matte Blush. So I'm using that today, and I'm using the shade Soft Nude. For eyeliner, I asked Devashi Banerjee, and she picked up Define, and I have 4 of them. So let's see what look I can do. So let's start. I'm gonna take the Arctic, which is a white eyeliner, and I'm gonna draw a simple winged liner on my upper eye. Now taking the Deep Funk, which is a peachy orangey shade, I'm going to line over the white eyeliner to give a kind of double wing liner thingy. Now taking the Demonetize, which is a green eyeliner shade, I'm going to draw another wing liner kind of under my eyebrows. Taking the D-Zest, it's an yellow eyeliner shade, I'm going to draw a line under my wings. Also going to apply it in the inner corner of my second wing liner to give it a gradient effect. Next for mascara, I'm using the Maybelline New York's The Falsies mascara, and I don't have any other mascara, so I didn't ask anyone for this. So for highlighter, I asked the sweetheart Jovita George, and she picked up the K Beauty Illuminating Highlighter, and she said, show our Indian brand some love. So yes, we are going to use that. So for lipstick, I DM'd Deeptima Singh, and Deeptima they picked up K Beauty Long Stay Matte Lipstick. So I'm using the shade Box Office today. So yes, this is the final look. I think the beauty community is blessed with such beautiful soul, and thank you so much who replied back to my DM and make this video a success. I think I'm in love with this look, and I didn't expect the look to turn out this beautiful. So yes, thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye, love ya.